Good. Back up. Back up. You know, it's a beautiful day. God carry us through rain, through the sleet, through the snow, through the hail, through the good times, through the bad times, through all our problems. God has been carrying us all the time. So people need to get out of their problems and trust God and rely on God. The reason why God can't reach them because they're stuck in their old situations. They're relying on their past and they're saying, woe me. They're dealing with their problems. So doing that, they need to let God come into their life while they're having them problems. In the storm. Just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Notice something. They changed them up. They didn't worship. They didn't get married. They got teenagers. They got house in the fire. The fire was 7 times.